Happy Wednesday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And early on today, we're still dealing with a bit of a wintry mess in the mid-Atlantic region. Some sleet, some snow, even a little bit of freezing rain and ice. So do be advised of that. Things will be improving more so towards the afternoon, but slick roads remain through the afternoon in some areas. The southwest dealing with a little bit of snow in the morning as well. But the big story as we head towards the end of the week and this upcoming weekend will be a very mild Pacific push of air running into the midsection of the nation. We'll talk about that. But there goes that wintry mess kind of exiting off the eastern seaboard towards late afternoon. On Thursday, we're going to see some moisture crawl across the Gulf Coast states, a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in that particular region, help to increase those rainfall tallies. Another little impulse of energy works across the international border by late week and early weekend. Some rain, some snow kind of mixing in, but to the far north, it'll be in the form of all snow. And then watching this heavy push of Pacific moisture in the northwest. We're talking some mountain snow for the inner Mountain West locations, some snow through the Cascade Range, but then some very heavy liquid along the coast. And we could be talking as much as 3 to nearly 6 inches of total liquid over the next 5 days, again, along the coast and the higher elevations. Some of that will be spreading inland with some pretty decent snowfall. But there's your moisture crawling across the Gulf Coast states. Really doesn't add up to a terrible amount. But again, the big story as we approach the upcoming weekend will be the very mild air starting to return after a very cold start to our January. Another little plunge of colder air pushes in by late week into the northeast and the Great Lakes region. But again, not too bad coming up by this Saturday, Sunday. Temperatures today actually a little warmer, not quite as Arctic as it has been, but there's a chance of a little wintry mix there in Washington. Warm spot today, Miami up to 77.